Hello and welcome to German Lesson 9. Our topic today is free time. Today we are going to learn the days of the week, we're going to learn free time activities and how to make real good sentences in German. Let's dive right into it. Lesson 9, free time, Freizeit.
Welcome to German Lesson 9. Our topic today is free time activities. Before we dive into the topic, let's take a look what we have learned over the course of the past 8 lessons. We have learned to talk about the name, wie heißt du, place, wo wohnst du, woher kommst du, age, wie alt bist du. We have learned to talk about languages, was sprichst du. We can ask a person how he or she feels, wie geht's dir, and of course we can answer the question. We have learned to talk about prices, was kostet das, and of course we have all the numbers up to the thousands to answer that question. We have learned to talk about wishes using ich möchte. Was möchtest du? And we have learned to talk about what we like and what we don't like using ich mag. Was magst du? We have learned to talk about our favorites, favorite things, favorite people. Was ist dein Lieblingsfilm? Wer ist deine Lieblingsperson? And we have learned to talk about what we love. Was liebst du? That is a great achievement for 8 German lessons so far, and let's take a minute just to celebrate. Be proud of yourself. You're doing a great job, guys. Let's take a look at our goal for lesson 9. Today, we will learn how we can talk about activities that we do at special times. For that, we will learn free time activities, Freizeitaktivitäten, und days of the week, Wochentage. Let's begin with the Wochentage. We have Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag, Sonntag. Let's say them together. 3, 2, 1. Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag, Sonntag. With those days of the week, we can now ask what people do on certain days. For that, we take the question, was machst du am? What do you do on Monday? So we can ask, was machst du am Montag? Was machst du am Dienstag? Was machst du am Mittwoch? Was machst du am Donnerstag? Was machst du am Freitag? Was machst du am Samstag? Und was machst du am Sonntag? Now let's take a look at free time activities. We are going to learn 5 new action verbs. Here we have ich gehe, go, ich gehe, ich lerne, learn, ich lerne, ich spiele, play, ich spiele, ich mache, machen means make or do, ich mache, ich schaue, watch, ich schaue. Now let's take a look at how we can answer the question with these action verbs. Here we have the first question. Was machst du am Montag? Ich gehe am Montag ins Kino. Kino means cinema in German. Ich gehe am Montag ins Gym. Or you can say, ich gehe am Montag ins Einkaufszentrum. Einkaufszentrum, Shopping, Center. Let's take a look at ich spiele, I play. Was machst du am Dienstag? Ich spiele am Dienstag Volleyball. Ich spiele am Dienstag Basketball. Ich spiele am Dienstag Valorant, League of Legends, whatever you play. If you play games that we don't have here, please ask the teacher so that you can use it in the competition. Let's take a look at ich lerne, I learn. Was machst du am Mittwoch? Ich lerne am Mittwoch Deutsch. Ich lerne am Mittwoch Koreanisch. Ich lerne am Mittwoch Muay Thai. Again, if you learn something that we don't have in our list, ask the teacher. Here we have, was machst du am Donnerstag? Ich schaue am Donnerstag. And now you have a lot of options that you can talk about. Ich schaue am Donnerstag K-Drama auf Netflix. ich schaue am Donnerstag Horrorfilme auf YouTube. And if you are watching a series, you say, ich schaue am Donnerstag Serie. Let's take a look at our last one. Was machst du am Freitag? Ich mache am Freitag Party. Ich mache am Freitag nichts. Nothing. Ich mache am Freitag Hausaufgaben. Oder ich mache am Freitag Videos oder Reels auf YouTube, auf TikTok. And with that, we have 17 good answers to the question, was machst du am bababab? Now here we see the numbers 1, 2, and 3. We have that because these are all good sentences. Good sentences on a beginner level can start with ich. Ich gehe am Dienstag ins Kino. If you want to make really good sentences, they can start with a detail. So here you can say, for example, am Dienstag gehe ich ins Kino. Let's take a look at what this 1, 2, 3 means. Here we have the most important rule for German main sentences. Look at this. A German main sentence can have 4 positions. The first one can be a person or whatever detail you want. The second one is always the action verb. Then we have a lot of space for details. When, with whom, where, how expensive, how you like it. And the last one can be an action verb if we have 2. But for this lesson, we only use 1. How do we turn these good sentences into really good sentences? That's quite easy. We put the detail to the beginning. So we put am Montag at the beginning. What do we do with the ich? There is no more space on position 1. We put the ich to the details. So that gives us am Montag gehe ich ins Gym. How about the second one? Ich spiele am Freitag Basketball. That's a good sentence. That's a good sentence for a beginner. How can we make it really good? Am Freitag spiele ich Basketball. The last one. Ich lerne am Samstag Deutsch. Good sentence on a beginner level. How can we make it really good? Am Samstag lerne ich Deutsch. Let's practice this. Here we have the question, was machst du am Montag? And we have the activity lerne und Deutsch. Good sentence could be, ich lerne am Montag Deutsch. How can we make it really good? We put the detail at the beginning. Am Montag lerne ich Deutsch. Let's have one more example. Here we have Dienstag, gehe und ins Kino. How is the good sentence? Ich gehe am Dienstag ins Kino. How can we make it really good? By putting the detail at the beginning. Am Dienstag. Can you complete it? Exactly. Gehe ich ins Kino. Let's take a look at sentences where we have 2 activities. These are really high-level sentences already. We have Mittwoch, and let's take the activity Spiele Valorant, and we take the activity ins Gym gehen. A good sentence starts with ich. Ich spiele am Mittwoch Valorant und ich gehe am Mittwoch ins Gym. Now, when we have one sentence, we don't need to say the day twice. That's why we have ich spiele am Mittwoch Valorant und ich gehe ins Gym. A really good sentence could be am Mittwoch spiele ich Valorant und ich gehe ins Gym. Okay, last one. Was machst du am Donnerstag? Here we have spiele Basketball and we have mache Party. How can a good sentence sound here? Ich spiele am Donnerstag Basketball und ich mache am Donnerstag Party. Again, we don't need the day twice in one sentence, so we say ich spiele am Donnerstag Basketball und ich mache Party. A really good sentence would be am Donnerstag spiele ich Basketball und ich mache Party. These are really great sentences no matter what you choose. Are really great speaking skills just after 9 lessons. Okay, check our summary. We have our activities, 17 activities. If you are missing one, ask your teacher to give you the translation. And we have the Wochentage. And we have our answer to the question, was machst du am bababam? Here we say, a good answer is, ich gehe am Dienstag ins Kino. And a really good could be, am Dienstag gehe ich ins Kino. That's all for today. Have a beautiful day and take care. Ingat, bye bye.